Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. I recently purchased some more of the Your Sugar gel polishes and I've chosen 6 spring and summer colours to add to my collection. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing them, and as always you can find where I purchased them from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on, and please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So here are the 6. I did actually buy 7, but one is currently missing in the post, which is a bit of a shame. But I've already done the bottle lid swatches for them, and it's quite a rainbow of colours. So I'll go in number order as that's how I like to work, and I'll begin with 606, which is a light pink. Now it is coming across a little bit peachy on the film, but it is a beautiful colour though. Next we have 610, which is a corally pink. Now I personally love Your Sugar gel polishes for their consistency. They're lovely and creamy. They're thick but not too thick. Next we have 629, which is a beautiful orange colour. Now I don't personally have a lot of oranges in my collection, so this is going to be a good addition to it. Next we have 631, which is a pastel yellow. Again, I don't have many yellows in my gel collection, so this is going to make some gorgeous spring manis. Next we have 639, which is a very pretty mint green colour. I have a lot of dark coloured gel polishes, so these 6 lighter colours are really quite different for me. And then finally we have 644, which is a light blue colour. Now I've actually already used the green and the blue for 2 manis, and you'll see them in my next video. So I have 6 pop sticks which I'll be swatching onto, and I'll be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. I also have another set of 6 pop sticks which I'll be applying the colours to off camera at the same time as I'm doing this video. And I'll be using the Born Pretty matte top coat for them, so we can see what they're like glossy versus matte. So when I apply any type of polish like Your Sugar 606, I like to wipe off the brush so there's hardly anything on there, and then I'll pick up a small bead from the side and with a quick backside swipe again before applying. I find this way for me means that I'm not overloading the nail or the pop stick. I have better control, but I also don't have any issues when curing either. Next we have 610, the corally pink, and I'm just going to repeat the same again. With this gel polish you can really see how good the coverage is. It's really highly pigmented, which means you might be able to get away with just 1 coat depending on your application, but I always like to do 2 just in case. But what a fantastic colour for summer manis. I see flamingos or white flowers would look amazing over this colour. This gel polish is why I love the Your Sugar gel polishes, and they're very purse friendly as well. I think I paid £1.50 a bottle, and these are the 7.5ml bottles. Next we have 629, the orange. Now there is about 130 colours in this range, which really is an amazing choice of colour. And as you can see, they're really easy to apply. This gel polish has again an amazing coverage. I love the easy application of them. I think I must have about 30 of this range now, which you can find here on my channel in the Your Sugar playlist. And again, this is another great colour for the summer, but would also look amazing for Halloween nails as well. As you can see, they are curing great. I am using my Sun 5 48 watt UV and LED lamp. If you were just using a UV lamp, I would cure these for 2 minutes. Next we have 631, and this is the palest of them all. When I did the bottle lid swatches, I sort of felt that I might have needed 3 coats for it to be completely opaque. Now, it doesn't really show on camera how streaky this first coat was, but in person you can definitely tell. With this gel polish, I would just build the colour up in very thin layers until I'm completely happy with it. So I went ahead and applied the second coat, but I still wasn't happy with the coverage. So I decided to add a third layer. And with this third layer, I'm using the brush to push the colour into places where it's still a little patchy again. But again, on film, it's really not showing, but it is still a gorgeous colour though. Next we have 639. All of the swatches, and I've also made some more as well, will be added to my pop stick box for stamping plate reviews. And I'm excited to see what these look like with added nail art. So you'll be seeing these really soon. But this mint green, I see mermaid nails for definite, but I would also like to see it with some green glitter as well. I think that would look amazing. Again, the coverage is brilliant. Your Sugar Gel Polishes is the main brand of gel polish that I use. Now, they have also just released some one-step gel polishes, and yes, I have purchased some and am waiting for them to arrive. You can't go wrong with the Your Sugar Gel Polishes, that's for sure. Next we have 644, the blue. I will be using these for some manis. As I said earlier, I've already used the green and the blue, and I really do like them. I used a dark blue over this blue gel polish, and over the green I used a white. Your Sugar also do some amazing effects gel polishes as well. I recently swatched and reviewed some of the magnetic gel polishes. And again, this stunning blue has a brilliant coverage. I'm so happy these are now in my collection, and I'm really looking forward to swatching over them with some stamping too. Do you have a favourite from these 6? Don't think I can pick one. And I can't wait for the missing one to arrive, as that's a pastel lavender purple colour. I was really gutted it didn't turn up. And here they are all together ready for top coating. So I'll now apply a layer of the Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. This is one of my favourite top coats to use. It's very glossy and applies like a dream. I will make sure that I cap all the free edges as well, and I'll be curing this in my lamp for 60 seconds. I personally think these look really nice, a great range of colours, and I'm super excited to use them. And then here they all are finished. I will be adding all of these swatches to my Instagram page in the next few days, so you can have a closer look at them. There is a link, as always, in the description box. So as I said off camera, I also applied them to some pop sticks and I've turned them matte. So here they are, and they look beautiful. So I'll show them side by side so we can sort of compare them. So this is 606. Either way, matte or glossy, I think it looks great. Then 610, I think I prefer it matte, but glossy does look really nice as well. Then 629, again I think I prefer it matte over the glossy, but they look brilliant though. Then we have 631, I think I prefer it glossy over the yellow, but it is such a pretty colour for spring. Then we have 639, I really can't decide over the green. They both look great though. And then finally 644, again, I don't think I can decide. They both look great, and I've really enjoyed working with these gel polishes. They are brilliant. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these Your Sugar Gel Polishes. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.